How to hide Bereal follower from post. Bereal posts are private to friends by default, but you can hide them from a specific follower by removing them as a friend or blocking them. For that, you want to go ahead and open your Bereal app, log into your account, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now to begin with, go to the Friends tab. Here, what you want to do is just long press the profile initials and tap the three dot at the top right, and you could block the user's profile as well. And likewise, if you want to change audience, now after posting, you could tap the three dot in the top right corner and change audience and select my friends only. So what you want to do is, actually, if you want to go ahead and hide it, so let's just take a photo. Right here it is. After you've done that, you want to send, and you could just go ahead and select my friends only, and this way you should be able to hide the Bereal followers from post. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.